How to make a beautiful paracord bracelet, triple chain, white paracord bracelet design. Hello my friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound. Today we're gonna use the white Paracord 550 for the bracelet core, also the blue, white and red Paracord 550 for the working ends. So this is the longer white cord than this one here. The dimension and the length of a cord you have on your screens. So we're gonna start first, we're gonna create the bracelet core. But before that, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet I'm wearing today, the full tutorial you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box of this video. So that being said, we're gonna take the longer strand of a white paracord and we're gonna take it by the ends to find the center. When we find the center, we're gonna insert this bite through the buckle. I'm gonna zoom a bit so you can clearly see. So from the top through the buckle, and now we're gonna pull these two strands through this loop here, so from the top through, and we're gonna create the basic cow's hitches as you can see here. Now we're gonna pass to the upper side, take the right strand white and pass it from the top into the buckle. And now we're gonna create a little pass around the strand here and to the right. Before we lock this, we're gonna insert the red paracord through and then we're gonna tie it. Now I'm gonna pull the red paracord by the ends, so we're gonna have the equal length of the red paracord from the both sides. Tie this well, and now we're gonna do the left side. So we're gonna repeat the whole process as we did to the right side. Now from here we're gonna insert the secondary white. So pull it, this bite, from the top into the buckle. If you have trouble, use the scissors or any tool you have. Pull it through and then pull the white cord, those two strands from the top into the loop. So we're gonna take our right strand white and we're gonna pass it under those two core strands and then through the middle like so and to the side. Then we're gonna take the left strand of a white, pass it under the core strands and then from the back through the middle and to the side. From here we're gonna pass our center white cords from the middle, from the top through the middle and then to the sides like so. So once more, from the top through the middle to the back and from the back through the side, the left side. Now we're gonna take the red cord and we're gonna insert it from the top around these two white cords, and we're gonna return it from the back through the left side of this strand. Now with this right side strand, again around these two core strands, and then from the back through the right side here, like so. As you can see, we have the white cords, the both cord from the back through the gap, but on the sides, and this one here also. Now we're gonna repeat the process with the blue. So from the top around and from the back through, and with this left strand as well, around and from the back through. Now we're gonna tie it. Now from here we're gonna pass again the right strand core under the core strands and through the middle, from the back through the middle and to the sides, and with the left one also from the back through the middle and to the side. But from here we're gonna take our white paracord and we're gonna pass it from the top into the middle, like so, the both cords, and we're gonna return it from the back through the middle, so in the middle of the core strands, and once more in the middle of those two working ends. So from the back through the middle of the core strands and the working ends, as you can clearly see. Now we're gonna take the red cords and we're gonna pass them also around these two core strands, and we're gonna return it from the back through the red cords in the middle, like so, and the same with the blue ones, so around the white core strands and then from the back through the middle between the blue working ends, and we're gonna tie it. So as you can clearly see, the first time we passed our cords and make them to the sides, and now we pull them through the center or the middle, as you wish. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon. Bye!